What's up guys, welcome back to another video। तो आज हम खेलेंगे रेड डेड रिडेम्पशन 2। तो इसके पहले के कुछ मिशंस मैंने कर रखे थे एंड उसके अंदर कुछ नहीं, हम एक ब्लैक वाटर नाम की जगह से यहाँ पर आते हैं एंड अपना कैंप सेटअप करते हैं एंड उसके बाद डच आर्थर को लेके एक दूसरे कैंप पे जाता है लाइक हेल्प मांगने समथिंग। लेकिन वहाँ पर हमें पता चलता है कि वहाँ पर हमारे राइवल्स रहते हैं ओड्रिस्कल्स नाम के शायद से, एंड तभी वहाँ पर भारी लड़ाई होती है एंड उसी में हम वहाँ से एक लेडी को रेस्क्यू करके लाते हैं जिसका नाम है सेडी एटलर। उसके बाद हम यहाँ पर आते हैं एंड हमें पता चलता है कि जॉन पिछले 2-3 दिन से गायब था, तो हम उसे रेस्क्यू करने जाते हैं। जॉन पहाड़ों पर एकदम मरेली हालत में मिलता है, कुछ भेड़ियों ने मिलकर उसके साथ गैंग। हम स्टोरी में आगे बढ़ते हैं। यहाँ पर 2 दिख रही जगह P and B करके। लेट्स गो टू B, मिशन होगा शायद से।
Up with you boys because I thought you liked action. Couple of days on the lam, and you lot have all turned yellow. Apart from you, of course.
Shut up, Micah.
I ain't never seen so many long faces. I guess folks miss them. That fell. But when I fall, I don't want no fuss.
When you fall, there'll be a party.
Party. Probably. Funny, huh? Sure.
अरे भाई 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 मारा मारी।
I don't feel like being laughed at by the likes of you two.
Stop it! Now! You fools punching each other when Como Driscoll's needing punching hard. You want to sit around waiting for him to come find us? All of you, we got work to do. Come on.
Are you sure about this, Dutch?
Yes.
Folks been through a lot recently. We hardly back on our feet yet.
And the last thing we need is to get bushwhacked by Como Driscoll. Let's go.
I know you hate him, Dutch.
He's here for us.
I doubt that.
No, you're just doubting me.
I would never doubt you, Dutch. You always said revenge is a luxury we can't afford.
This is the right call, Arthur. Take this. And this is about more than revenge for business long ago. They were talking about trains and detonators here. Colm always had good information. Come on.
And you think now is the right time to hit a train?
Now you might fancy living on deer piss and rabbit shit. I'm getting too old for that life. Mr. Matthews, Mr. Smith, Mr. Pearson, would you please look after the place? There are O'Driscolls about. Yeah!
राइट, तो हम किसी कॉलम नाम के बंदे को लेने जाएंगे। कॉलम क्या नाम है? कॉलम मे बी, शायद से उसे हम उठाने जा रहे हैं। वो भी शायद से ओड्रिस्कल्स का मेंबर है। लेट्स सी।
We'll circle around the far side and go down that way, same as Micah and Bill. Like you said, revenge is a luxury we can't afford.
Revenge is a luxury we can't afford. मतलब हम गरीब हैं
Arthur, have you completely
अभी के लिए
lost
फिलहाल।
faith in me? Our needs right now are supplies, equipment, and a way out of here. Everything else, including coal, can wait.
Okay.
There's enough of those bastards down there to deal with as it is. Now, come on. Get in cover, Arthur.
So, what are we doing, Dutch? I can take this if you want.
Just make the call. You want to take the lead? Go.
Lead? Of course I want to take the lead, भाई।
Make the call, Arthur.
Okay, I'll go first.
फुल रेज जाएंगे।
What the hell are you doing?
O'Driscolls! You're dead, you sons of bitches! Forward! Gentlemen! Look out! On top of the water tower, you see? Oh, I'm gonna get to you next! You think you can take us? You've only got
bodies! Strip everything we can from them!
You recognize any of them, Dusty?
Of course not. Paul doesn't give a damn about his men. All he cares about is numbers. If you can shoot a gun, ride a horse, and kill without thought, you're in. Think how long some of you have been with me. I imagine Paul doesn't even know half the names of these fools. Keep looking! We need everything we can get off of these bastards! Good work, boys. Now, let's tear this place apart. Bill, you go search that wagon there. Mike, search that building. Arthur, you take that building to the left. All right, man, quick! Find those detonators, explosives, anything you can. Let's go!
What do we got here? The plans.
Here. This looks good. What do you think, Bill?
Oh, dynamite.
Looks fine.
Nice.
Smells good. Come on.
Did we get everything?
Think so, boss? Found this on one of them.
Thank you.
This is perfect.
Oh, yeah? Interesting. This is something about the train they was gonna rob. Of Mr. Leviticus Cornwall. Mount back up. Let's keep moving. All right, let's get out of here. Hey, you see that fella? Wasn't he at the camp with Colm?
Leave him to me.
All right, we're heading back. Just bring him back alive. He could be useful.
Okay.
ओ तो सामने वाला भी शायद से ओड रिस्कल का मेंबर है, इसको पकड़ के लाना है जिंदा। अरे भाई 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 ठुक गया।
Okay then, partner. What now?
Don't hurt me! I surrender! I surrender! Mister, please! Look, I give up! Just take it easy, mister! I won't...
ओ ओ ओ शिट, मर गया क्या? हेलो भाई तू जिन ओ शिट, ही मर गया। अबे यार इसको जिंदा लाना था। हक दिया भाई। लैसो, रस्सी का क्या करना है? इसको बांध के ले जाना है। लगा।
What's your name, boy?
I don't know.
You don't know your name?
ये बोल रहा है आई।
Kieran what?
अबे जिंदा की मर गया।
Well,
ये बात कर रहा है भाई, ये जिंदा है।
this is a real bad day for
हाँ।
you, Kieran Duffy.
ऑलराइट, तो हम वो ओड ड्रिस्कल के हाइड आउट पे गए थे एंड वहाँ पर हमने शायद से उनका प्लान वैन चुरा लिया था, बिकॉज हमें एक ट्रेन रॉब करनी है, ट्रेन हाइस्ट करनी है। तो शायद से उसी का प्लान था एंड अभी उसी प्लान के मुताबिक हमें शायद से मेरे को ऐसा लगता है कि ट्रेन का लोकेशन मिला है। तो मे बी अभी नेक्स्ट हम जाएंगे ट्रेन हाइस्ट करने।
Arthur, I think it's time for the train.
Want me to come?
Of course I do, but look at you.
I was always ugly, Dutch. It's just a scratch.
Don't lie still, son. Hello, Abigail.
Dutch,
Jackie.
the boy wanted to see you, John.
Now, railway men. Bill, now you ride ahead and set the charge at the water tower just before the tunnel.
Ain't a problem.
Why are we doing this? Weather's breaking. We could leave. I thought we was lying low.
Yeah, come on.
What do you want from me, Hosea?
I just don't want any more folks to die, Dutch.
We're living, Hosea. We're living. Look at me. We're living. Even you. But we need money. Everything we has in Blackwater. You fancy heading back there?
No. And
Well, how good for him. Sounds like he has more than enough to share.
Dutch.
Gentlemen, it is time to make something of ourselves. Get your horses ready. We have a train to rob. Everyone ready? All right, let's head out. After Bill blows the tracks, we're gonna need to move fast. Is everyone clear on what they're doing?
Yep, Crystal.
Yes, boss.
Good. Now come on. Let's ride. Is Bill there?
Yeah,
You want to head down, see how he's getting on?
okay.
Oh wait, go check the bill. यहाँ से नीचे कैसे उतरते हैं भाई? ओह वो रहा रास्ता.
Yeah. Yeah.
How you getting on?
Yeah. I'm okay.
You sure?
Of course.
Can I help a little?
All right. Go ahead and set up the detonator by those rocks over there.
Okay, sure.
Now just unspool the wire and then attach it to said detonator.
ओह वायर कनेक्ट करना है. ठीक है भाई, करता हूँ. ओह भाई वैसे प्लान तो अच्छा है. ट्रेन आ रही है अभी, पटरी एकदम ब्लास्ट कर देंगे फुल तबाही.
Okay, that's good.
All right. That's it. You hit that other. I got it.
No mistakes. What's going on? You guys all fat?
We'll soon find out.
Everything okay?
I think so.
Gentlemen, it's time. Good luck, all of you. You all know what to do.
Here we go.
फोड़ फटा नहीं.
Shit! No!
व्हाट? फट भाई.
You have got to be kidding
एक सेकेंड. वाह भाई, डायनामाइट का वो रस्सी शायद से खराब है.
Come on!
अच्छे खासे प्लान का गोबर हो गया.
Here we go. We go.
ओ ये गिर गया.
I'm slipping.
चलो कम से कम इसको बचाते हैं, गिर गया तो.
Hey, down here.
I've got you. Now stop yelling.
Oh, shit. Arthur, help me.
Yeah, you're okay. Now, let's go slow this thing down.
Where's Javier?
He fell. The others will get him.
You and me, big man.
Come on, we need to stop this train.
There's another guard up ahead. You want me to take him? We being robbed.
You screw!
Will someone blow their brains out?
Got a hit.
We
don't stop this train soon, the other boys will never catch us. I'm going up.
I know, just stay calm.
ए, साला कैम करके बैठा था इधर।
I ain't got a clear shot.
मार भाई से। भाई भाई ट्रेन के बाहर फेंक दिया बेचारे को।
Shit, more guards coming out of that train car.
There better be some money at the end of this.
All these bastards. Guard, what's up?
We need the car at the back, right?
Yep, keep pushing on. All right, finish those sons of bitches. Good shooting, kid.
I can see now why the O'Driscolls brought so many boys up here for this.
Arthur, get over here.
You two all right?
Yes, let's get the money and go.
We got some fellas holed up in this last car.
Ah, shit.
What are you boys planning on doing in there? Listen to me. We don't want to kill any of you. Any more of you. I give you my word, but trust me, we will.
I work for Leviticus Cornwall.
Come on, boys.
We got our orders.
Okay. You asked for it.
We ain't
5,
opening this door.
4, 3, 2, 1. Seems our friends have gone deaf. Wake them up a little. That's enough. Mr. Williamson, give Mr. Morgan and Mr. Smith some dynamite. You two boys go blow that door open. Now, it don't matter too much to us, but you boys in there might want to take a step back.
Seems good enough.
Here we go.
Now light the fuse.
Unless you got a death wish, I'd step back, fellers.
राइट, तो ट्रेन का दरवाजा खुल चुका है। इसके अंदर जाके लूटना है।
Just walk on out here. We don't want to kill you. We just want to rob your boss. Get on up there. Search that train. Let's hurry this along now. What did you find?
These bonds. They worth anything?
Oh, sure. Bearer bonds. I think we can probably sell these pretty easily. Well done. Now, would you get rid of all of this?
The train?
Yeah, get it out of here.
What about them?
What do you think?
I don't know.
It's up to you. Kill them, leave them here, take them with you on the train. Just make sure they don't send no folk after us.
Okay.
See you back at camp. When you get back, we'll be moving on. The rest of you, let's ride.
Okay. Get on the train. Quick. Ollie.
हाँ भाई चलो अंदर।
Any bright ideas? I
चल
kill
चल
all
चलो भाई,
three.
एक एक करके जाओ।
So behave. Come on.
तू क्या खड़ा है? चल चल अंदर साले।
Move.
बात नहीं मानेगा, गोली मारूं? चल।
Go on.
हाँ, गुड बॉय।
If I hear so much as a footstep from this car, you'll end up like all your friends out here.
We got money in our pockets. The worst is behind us, gentlemen. So the question is, where now?
I know this country a little. I told you we should set up camp in Horseshoe Overlook near Valentine. We'll be able to hide out there no problem, as long as we keep our noses clean.
Well, then let's go. Clean noses and everything else. Arthur, you're in that one. Bring Hosea. I know you two like to talk about the good old days and what's gone wrong.
ऑलराइट, तो ये हमारा ट्रेन हाइस्ट हो चुका है। अब हम शायद से ये कबाड़ जगह छोड़ के जा रहे हैं, शायद से। हाँ, वी आर लीविंग। ओके, तो आज का ये वीडियो इधर ही ख़त्म होता है। थैंक यू सो मच फॉर वॉचिंग। अब हम एक नए टाउन में जा रहे हैं सेटल होने। लेट्स सी क्या होता है वहाँ। तब तक के लिए गुड बाय।